My name is Jeanne Luhr. I'm the Vice President of the Genealogy Society. Our president is on a month-long vacation, so we hope he's having a good time. All right. There was no minutes from the previous board, general membership meeting, so we're going to skip that. Maureen Fitzgerald, do you have a treasurer's report? And you probably have to unmute yourself.
Hi. The treasurer's report for May, our income was $40. Our expenses were $329.66. Our checking accounts balance as of May 24th, 2021 was $17,844.13. Our CD is worth $3,906.20. We have 297 members. Are there any questions?
The treasurer's report was accepted in the board meeting. Okay, Nancy, do you want to make some announcements for the next 2 months? What's coming up?
I sure do. I'm going to share my screen and take you right to our website. Okay, I just want to introduce in July our 2 meetings. On Tuesday, July 13th, we will have the unfolding story of Riverside, the Barnsley Mormon Landing, presented by Patty Lynn. And Patty Lynn is the State Historic Site Manager of Riverside, and she will share the amazing history of this home along the Ohio River. And she will also reveal some of the facts and artifacts that they have found through their archaeological research lately. So that will be Tuesday, July 13th. You can go right here to our website, KYLGS, or Google our Louisville Genealogical Society and register here at the bottom of that presentation. So that's the second Tuesday of the month. On our fourth Tuesday is usually a genealogical aspect or workshop, and that will be Tuesday, July 27th here at 1 o'clock online. And I will be presenting online libraries. We'll take a look at Family Search and look at their catalog and their digital book collection. We'll also visit Internet Archives. We'll look at Google Books, and we'll look at some other sites that probably should be on your list of places to go and research other than Ancestry and Family Search research records. So we'll look at that on Tuesday, July 27th. And you also need to register for that workshop. So if you would go to our website, you can access it and register for those. So that's what's coming up in July.
Thank you. All right, for the last 4 or 5 months, Nancy and I and Susan have been working on revising the LGS bylaws, and we took lots of comments and suggestions and worked through them. We wanted to make sure that all of the current committees were recognized. And so about the 10th of June, everybody who is a member should have gotten a copy of the revised bylaws. And today we're planning to vote on that, either accepting or rejecting the revised bylaws. So Nancy's going to tell us how we're going to vote.
Okay, this is for members of LGS, and in front of you right now, you should see a poll where you can approve or disapprove the vote on the 2021 revisions. Hopefully you've looked them over. And so we'd like you at this time to submit your vote. Please only select one. You're either going to choose yes, I approve of the 2021 revised Louisville Genealogical Society bylaws, or you can choose no, I disapprove of the 2021 revised Louisville Genealogical Society bylaws. So choose one of those, please, if you are a member of LGS, and then at the bottom you want to click submit. And when you click submit, it will go back into Zoom and calculate and give us the results of this vote. So we're going to give you a few minutes right now, or a few seconds. It won't take you very long to make that vote.
if you're a member, you can vote. Theoretically, we're supposed to have 2/3 of the membership that are here at the meeting voting.
We do have quite a few people that are non-members, so I guess they should not count in the 2/3 vote.
Okay, so we can
Right.
figure that out later. We can look at the list.
Okay. Okay. Any other business that needs to be conducted today? I think that's it. And I'll adjourn this meeting and we can start listening to Joe. You want to go ahead and
Well,
introduce him?
Yes, I will introduce him. And before I introduce our speaker today, Joe Hardesty, I want to remind members, you should have received your summer quarterly. Remember, we are sending our quarterly out digitally, and you should receive an email where you can access that quarterly. But you can also access it on our website. If you go in and log in as a member, and then go to the far left side and select the tab that says Documents. And then under Documents, you will find the lines and bylines. You'll not only find the summer quarterly, but you will find every quarterly that has been printed. They're all digitized and all there since 1985. So please, if you're having trouble accessing that, email me and I'll give you a call and we can help you walk through the steps. But everybody should be able to access all our quarterlies, the current one and all the others too. So I just wanted to remind people that your summer quarterly should have been in an email to you the very first of the month. I'll announce right now, Joe does not have a handout for this presentation. So if you want to take notes, that might be your prerogative. And yes, this is being recorded and it will be on the YouTube LGS site. And it will also be on our website. Again, you would access it as a member. Go into Documents, and then the videos for all our past presentations for the last year or so are posted there. So you can access it through YouTube or through our website, and it will be recorded.